so much for coming back. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you're already not. So, as you all know, today is Hair Mask Monday. What's new? Every Monday we try a new hair mask, and this mask for this month is going to be this Cream of Nature Açaí Berry and Keratin. It's a strengthened hair mask, and it tells me to leave it on my hair for 10 to 15 minutes for rapid restoration, steam, under a hooded dryer. So yeah, the keratin aids in hair repair, and the acai berries prevent damage. So I'm gonna go ahead, jump right into this video and put this in my hair, and then I'll let you guys know my thoughts throughout. So I'm going to heat it up and put it on, and then I'll be back in like 15 minutes to let you guys know the results of the hair mask. So I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. So I rinsed it out my hair. I'm not even going to try to like detangle it or anything, because that is not a moisturizing or detangling conditioner. So and my thoughts on it was, when I left it in, my hair definitely felt stronger. Like as it was in there, it felt very firm, and it felt like it was doing what it was supposed to do. So this is what it looks like once I rinsed it out and just put some regular conditioner in my hair. It's all right. I definitely want to try that mask again. They have it in a full-size bottle, so I might pick that up and be reusing that. So yeah, just let me know your thoughts on this hair mask, and if you guys used it, how do you like it? Is it a strengthening mask? Like, does it work for repairing damaged hair? Let me know all of that good stuff. I guess I could show you guys my hair instead of just leaving it up. This is what it looks like when the mask is all rinsed out and all of that good stuff. So it's not bad. My hair feels pretty good. Like I said, I have conditioner in there, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, so if you guys like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so I can get you guys more Hair Mask Monday videos and all of that good stuff, and we can just keep trying new masks together. So once again, we've come to the point where I'm going to tell you guys to tell a friend to tell a friend, and tell some more friends and friends of friends of friends that I have a channel, and then come check it out. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.